So immediately we're presented with a model in the environment, very similarly to a model viewer, and we can use a couple of navigation tools to find our way around this environment. Firstly, if you want to orbit, you can hold down your mouse wheel and this will orbit, and if you want to zoom, you can scroll in and out, and you can see there we can just zoom into this area and then we can orbit. Panning is different to model viewer. Normally you would hold down your left mouse button to pan. You'll notice I have a picker tool at my left mouse button, which is actually prompting me to select information within this environment, which I can then choose to modify. So if you do want to pan, you've got a couple of ways you can do this. You can either hold down the control button on your keyboard and then hold down the mouse wheel, and you can see there we can pan, or you can use the pan button, and you'll see that we're taken into a state where we can now pan. If you want to return to the original state where the picker tool is available, you'll need to go ahead and just click on the home button, which is where the picker tool is found.